Broadford Motorcycle Complex here in Victoria with our group of dealers, and we're here training and learning all about our new KLX Get Out and Play range. We at Kawasaki think it's really important that get our dealers to come out and actually ride the motorcycles that they're selling. We figure you can look at a brochure, you can look at videos, you can read all sorts of things and listen to other people, but nothing beats getting out there and getting out and play on the bikes themselves. And I think the dealers today so far have really been surprised and been very, very happy with the outcome of some of the bikes they've ridden, which they thought were different to what they originally thought. Really good bikes for what we're trying to do in the marketplace. The off-road motorcycle part of the business today is about half of the business that we're doing, so it's really important these new models are coming on board. So a really important part of what we're doing here today is actually releasing and testing the new KLX 300R, the KLX 230R and the KLX 230 road going version. So these are three new bikes for Kawasaki in the off-road and dual purpose range. Really exciting models for us. They're models which we've had a bit of a gap in our range to fill, and they've come along, and like I said, the KLX 300R has been a real eye-opener today, so it's been fantastic. Not only that, but we've got a KLX 230 road going version. It's a dual purpose ABS, so it's the first time Kawasaki's come up with a dual purpose ABS model on that, and even in the dirt we're finding it to be a really great bike to be riding.
It's really important for the dealer networks to be able to touch, feel, ride for themselves, so when they're talking to customers it's a first-hand experience. So today we've got two tracks running. We've got the dirt track for the guys without any experience, and then we've got a 1.5k loop out in the bush.
So today's range of bikes we've been testing has been all the way from the KLX 110 right through the brand new KLX 300. The little ones were a lot of fun. It's not often you get a chance to test them on a track like this, but it was a great opportunity to test them and see how much fun and how fast they actually do go.
I was experiencing them out on the speedway track, a little bit damp today, which was really putting them through their paces, but really looking forward to get out in the enduro loop and putting through putting the 230s and 300s through that sort of all-terrain and seeing how they perform. But I'm sure they can perform well.
I found the 230 in the enduro loop to be the most suited for that tight loop. Good power, good suspension, and very nimble, and very surprising the results that we had. In regards to the 300 on the dirt track, the outright power and speed of the 300 just topped the 230 a little bit as the most fun and enjoyable bike to ride out there.
Oh, the new bike's fantastic, smooth. Fuel injection helps a lot. I think it's going to really cater to a lot of areas of riders, from beginners right to people that want to get out and have a bit of bush bash. But yeah, really impressed with the new range, and I think it's good to see. It's great for Kawasaki Australia to put on an event like this because it gives us a chance to get out of the showrooms and actually test ride the products. I think that helps a lot with the sales because we can actually then directly talk to the customers, our own experiences of what we experience with these bikes, and I think end of the day that helps sell a lot more because you really are talking from experience.
The feedback today has been fantastic. There's been some great riding both on the dirt track and in the bush, and yeah, the feedback from dealers is fantastic.